when your teammates, your employees, your early people who join you are 10 years or in certain cases 15 or 20 years ahead of you. It can be intimidating. This opportunity was built by the people here who you may look at and feel, because you're like, oh shit, if he guesses or gets to know that we are in second year, he'll not only reject the offer, he'll probably, अगर आप 21 साल के और आप किसी 28 साल के या 30 साल के को रिक्रूट कर रहे हो, उसको बता दो यार थोड़ा सा ना. Fact is that you should ask yourself, why are they even? This question about age gap when you start early as an entrepreneur, and when your teammates, your employees, your early people who join you are 10 years or in certain cases 15 or 20 years ahead of you. It can be intimidating. I can tell you, I started at the age of 19, and I started my first office when I was 20. My first hire, apart from one or two friends who I was with, my first hire was 5 years elder to us, and I can tell you it was intimidating as fuck. Like, imagine you're a second year college student who mentally is even looking at a fourth year student in the college as super senior, right? You're calling fourth year person a super senior. Now you just hired somebody who is a MTech graduate and 1 year experienced in the job. So I don't even know what is the superlative you can use to call them, right? I remember when I was hiring this guy, social media was not that big. This is 2006 or 5 or 6. And we were intimidated in the interview because we were like, oh shit, if he guesses or gets to know that we are in second year, he'll not only reject the offer, he'll probably laugh at us as well. I think from there to in next 2 years, I was actually recruiting people who were average 10 years senior to me. And in life right now also, today, Restoworks has a few people who are 15 and 20 years senior, to me, in age and experience both. I think over years, what happened and what I realized is that when the opportunity is right, age actually doesn't matter, even to the recruits. और ये वैसा वाला है कि मैं ना छिपकली से बहुत डरता हूँ, पर सच ये है कि छिपकली भी मुझसे बहुत डरती है. पर जिस मोमेंट मुझे छिपकली से डर लग रहा होता है, उस मोमेंट मेरा दिमाग ये भूल जाता है कि छिपकली is also as scared. So technically I'm safe. And actually we both are safe from each other because we both will run in opposite directions. ना मैं उसके पास जाने वाला हूं, ना वो मेरे पास आने वाली है. When you're talking to a recruit, imagine your 22-year-old or 21-year-old founder who's feeling intimidated by a 30-year-old who you think should join your team to provide the right kind of value to the opportunity. सच ये है कि आप दोनों ही डरे हो. आपको डर लग रहा है कि यार ये इसको हैंडल कैसे करेंगे, उसको भी डर लग रहा है कि यार ये बच्चा, इसकी इमेच्योरिटी की वजह से तो मैं नहीं परेशान हो जाऊंगा, कहीं इसकी इमेच्योरिटी की वजह से मेरा लाइफ में तो नुकसान नहीं हो जाएगा. एंड फैक्ट इज दैट यू शुड आस्क योरसेल्फ, व्हाई आर दे इवन टॉकिंग टू यू? Why are you able to talk to them? That means neither they are big, nor you are small or big. It's the opportunity in the center that is far bigger than both of you. It is far bigger than his or her age or experience, or your age, experience, stature, designation, title as a founder. And when you actually start focusing on the opportunity in the center, things become easier, if not easy. That's one. When you as a founder, my advice to every early 20s founder is that when you're talking to people who are elder to you in experience and age, and if you wonder or if you feel that there is some, like you're feeling intimidated or you're wondering whether you'll be able to handle them or not, address that. address the elephant in the room. Understand that you are bringing them, or you are trying to bring them, because they have seen what you are trying to imagine. But also understand that they may be coming to you because you know something or you have something that they don't have. And unless you respect both of these things, you won't win. One of the recruits here today, that person is with us, very senior guy, joined us 7 years back. And when he joined us, he had 18 years experience. He had completed 18 years in his life at some of the top tech companies in the world. I remember my interview with him. I actually told him, he was also coming from our industry. And I said, sir, we are going to start enterprise business. And what we are trying to achieve, you have already experienced, done, dusted. You know what it takes to do that. What we are even trying to get to. So there is a lot that we can learn from you. But we also know how new age tech works, how velocity works. The company that you worked for last 18, 20 years, they're a robust, large company, but they're a 50-year-old company. The velocity is screwed. In fact, companies like us are existing because they are screwing up. They're not a bad company. We're taking inspiration from them, but we can only take so much inspiration from them. तो सर आप हमें ठहराव सिखाना, स्टेबिलिटी, रोबस्टनेस, हम आपको वेलोसिटी सिखाएंगे. एंड जब आप यहां आएंगे तो हो सकता है आपको लगे कि हम ये भी गलत कर रहे हैं, वो भी गलत कर रहे हैं, ये भी गलत कर रहे हैं, वो भी गलत कर रहे हैं. पर सर मेरी उसमें सिर्फ आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि जब भी आपको ऐसा लगे पहले 3 महीने में, रोकना अपने अंदर और इस बात को भूलना नहीं कि पिछले 5-7 साल में हमने जो भी बनाया है वो ऐसे ही बनाया है और वो इतना सही बन सका है that today I can offer this opportunity to you and today you can take this opportunity. This opportunity was built by the people here who you may look at and feel foolish. क्या तरीका है ये कोई तरीका काम करने का? ऐसे हो सकता है, पर अगले 3 से 4 महीने मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट ये है कि आप आइए, हमारे ही तरीके से सीख के हमारा ही काम हमसे बेहतर कर दीजिए. और जिस दिन ये हो गया उस दिन वी विल पास ऑन द बैटन टू यू, चेंज द एंटायर शिट. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट अर्न दैट रिस्पेक्ट. आपको कोई सिर्फ इसलिए रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करेगा क्योंकि आप 18 साल एक्सपीरियंस है. अगर आप ये रिस्पेक्ट इसलिए ढूंढेंगे, नहीं मिलेगी. इंसल्ट नहीं करेंगे पर बनेगी नहीं बात. हम दोनों अलग अलग चीजें टेबल पे ला रहे हैं, पर हम दोनों सेम अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए गन कर रहे हैं. तो whenever in doubt, look at the opportunity in the center and let us discuss what is the best that can be done for this. That person is with us. He has built a lot of value here. Has been absolute blessing. But this practice is a continuous practice. You have to continuously align, be transparent. आपकी अपनी कोई vulnerability है, रख दो सामने. अगर आप 21 साल के और आप किसी 28 साल के या 30 साल के को रिक्रूट कर रहे हो या 40 साल के को रिक्रूट कर रहे हो, उसको बता दो कि यार थोड़ा सा ना हिचक है मेरे को कि आपको फीडबैक देने का क्या तरीका है और आप बुरा मानते हो या नहीं मानते हो, कितना डायरेक्ट हो सकता है, राइट? ये कॉन्वर्सेशन यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड. इट इज एक्चुअली दैट छिपकली कॉन्वर्सेशन कि छिपकली भी आपसे उतनी ही परेशान है जितनी आप छिपकली से परेशान हो. तो टेक्निकली आप दोनों एक दूसरे से दूर भागना चाहते हो, पर अगर आप एड्रेस कर लोगे उस फियर को, इफ यू कैन बी अ लिटिल वल्नरेबल, पीपल आर कमिंग टू यू टू मेक द अपॉर्चुनिटी बिग फॉर देमसेल्व्स एज वेल एज फॉर यू. यू आर ऑल्सो ब्रिंगिंग देम टू मेक द अपॉर्चुनिटी बिग, टू प्ले अ बिगर गेम. So far you remain aligned to the opportunity. Age will disappear. It disappeared for me long back.